Welcome students to first year English classes. In this series of videos, we have a story, The Umbrella Man. This is question number 5, written by, the story is written by Roald Dahl. This is a non-detailed story. The government, the board has retained this syllabus, for us to read. Well, now let's continue with this. Roald Dahl was a popular children author of 20th century. A popular children author of 20th century. A popular author of 20th century. Okay, 20th century. Well, a popular author of 20th century. Fine. He was born on 13th September 1916 in Wales. He worked as a salesman for Shell Petroleum of Africa. Later, he joined the Royal Air Force. Then, he began his writing career. With stories for adults. He wrote poems too, but his stories for children made him very popular. His work, Charlie and the Chocolate Factory, is the most widely read of his books. Have you ever heard this name? Charlie and the Chocolate Factory? Charlie and the Chocolate Factory. Never heard about this? Yeah, it's a wonderful movie there, You can watch, Then, he wrote the scripts for films too. He died on 20th November 1990. He died on 20th November 1990. Well, so when he writes his stories for children, children will be the characters in that. In our present story also, a 12-year-old girl is our main character. She is the narrator of the story. And in this story, she tells what she experienced with her mother one day. Now this is about the Umbrella Man. So what is this Umbrella Man story is all about? This story is about a trick played by an old man, saying that he is sick and so on, whatever. Now, let's come to that point. The story, The Umbrella Man, was a famous story. It has been a very famous story. And it's a very famous story. The narrator is a 12-year-old girl. In our story, what is the character? A 12-year-old girl. Then, one day, she had an appointment with the dentist in London. Where is our story taking place? It is taking place in London. One day, she had an appointment with the dentist. Dentist means, person who treats dental problems. She had an appointment with the dentist. Then she goes there along with her mother. Well, she was accompanied by her mother. After the dental treatment was over, both went to a cafe. After the treatment, both went to a cafe. Cafe means a small restaurant to have coffee. Why actually they did go there? It was raining outside. It was raining heavily outside. And the mother felt that, okay, instead of waiting outside and getting wet, they can get into the restaurant. Then she went there. Okay, then the girl enjoyed a banana split. Okay, okay, they went to a cafe. We know it's a small restaurant like. Okay, the girl enjoyed banana split. Banana split. Okay, a sweet dish prepared with bananas. Okay, in London cafes. Well, and her mother enjoyed a coffee. Well, they came out of the cave at 6 o'clock. At what time did they come out? At 6 o'clock, they come out from the coffee shop. Then, by then it began to rain, so they decided to take a taxi. Okay, actually, they decided to take a taxi to their home. Okay, at that time, but all the taxis were full of passengers. When they were trying for a taxi, all the taxis were full of passengers and they could not get any taxi. At that time, a little old man approached them and requested them for a small favor. Okay, what he says, just give me a small favor. I want a small favor from you. And the lady was really suspective lady. Okay, the girl's mother. And she puts several questions to that old man. Okay, if you forget, okay, if you have no money, how can you walk this long from your home? If you want only £1, I am ready to give you that pound money to you also. Okay, but the old man did not accept for that. Okay, he says that don't treat me as a beggar. I am not a beggar. Just don't give me anything on free of cost. Okay, then the mother thinks, okay, what actually you want, tell me. Then he says, I have an umbrella with me that is 20 pounds cost. What is the price of that? 20 pound, very costly. Okay, 20 pound umbrella. And this man offered 20 pound umbrella for 1 pound. Okay, he offered for 1 pound. Fine. The lady asked several questions to this old man. Okay, how she asks. She questioned him like, he said that he needed a pound to hire a taxi and he had left his wallet at home. What was the reason? He left his wallet at home. Okay, so quite natural, old man become forgetful in nature, and this lady also believed him. Okay, and he was very old. Okay, bushy mustache. Okay, white hair. Okay, on the face, and he was wearing wonderful coat and polished shoes and so on. And finally, she decides that okay, this man is not telling any lies, and this girl was observing him. Okay, this girl was observing him. Both. Okay, she was observing the old man as well as she was observing her mother also. Okay, why I am giving you this detailed picture of the scene? The examiners will give us like a small paragraph from this story, and we need to answer questions based on those small scene. Okay, well, that's the reason I am giving you this. Well, then he offered to give away his silk umbrella worth 20 pounds. 20 pound silk umbrella. This is really a costly one. Okay, 20 pound silk umbrella, and he offered for just 1 pound. Then the narrator's mother was suspicious. Okay, and still the lady was suspicious because she doubted him. Why he was selling like this. Then she questioned him closely to make sure that he was not a trickster. On being satisfied, she gave him a pound and took the silk umbrella. Okay, and after getting satisfied with the answers given by that old man, and after observing him closely, she said, okay, I will take this umbrella for 1 pound. Then On being satisfied, she gave him a pound and took the silk umbrella. After taking the money, the old man was walking fast. Actually, after taking that 1 pound, what the old man should do? He must hire a taxi and must go to his home. But the man started walking very fast in another direction. And this lady watched him also. The girl also watched him. Why he was walking so fast in another direction. And immediately the lady said, "Come on, let us follow him." Then both mother and daughter, they followed him, and finally that man reached. He entered a pub and drank whiskey. Okay, what did he do? Straight away he entered a pub and drank whiskey. Then, while coming out of the bar, he lifted someone's umbrella and sold it for another gentleman. This was his little game. Okay, so this lady was observing him what he will do. After taking 1 peg of whiskey from the bar, okay, he slowly comes out and he takes another umbrella and he sells that umbrella to another man, and this is how he continues game. Okay, yeah, hope you might have enjoyed this game well, and read this story for your examination purpose and write well and get good marks. Okay, till then, have a nice time, students. Okay, good day.